Hey guys, this is Zoe with Spigen, and I'm here with our ThinFit series for the iPhone 7 and 7 Plus. It comes in 5 premium colors that's ideal for matching the color of your phone. The ThinFit comes with a compatible space for metal plates if you have a magnetic car mount, but keep in mind that they don't come with the case, so make sure to buy them separately. The same is found in the 7 Plus, with button cutouts and made of a hard PC material. Here, we take the iPhone 7 for demonstration, inserting the left side of the phone at an angle and gently pressing down its remaining corners for a perfect fit. And among our color choices, this one is our ThinFit Jet Black. Cutouts are comfortably sized for you to directly access the buttons. A great plus about this case is that it's lightweight and thin, making it perfect for one-hand usage even with a small hand like me. Raised lips on each side ensure the screen and camera untouched whenever the phone is placed flat on a surface. Now, the only notable difference between the 7 and 7 Plus is its camera cutout. The ThinFit 7 is stretched out a bit more to support its dual camera. And the bottom of the case is precisely designed to leave the dual speakers and the charging port for quick and easy access. Detach 2 corners to remove your phone, and notice that the case gave little to no bulk. Thanks for joining us. Delivering quality. Spigen.